Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to do a card presses video. Hopefully it's not too long. I'm going to use this die from Inlay craft store. It is a beautiful die. I love this die. It's sort of like an abstract die. I don't know if this is supposed to be like looking down at some buildings, but it's, to me, reminds me like this is the street and these are the tops of the buildings. So you can imagine it any way you wish. But I had a really fun time decorating this card. I did actually 2 cards, but I'm just going to show the process of one. And you can use it this way and you can turn it this way and do a landscape or a portrait, you know, whichever you choose, but I did landscape cards in the video. I will also use a Sentiment Fabulous, and this you cannot get at a Inlay craft store. This is something from my stash. And I'll use some glue, using a fine tip glue. You can get it at Hobby Lobby or on Amazon. I do also use glue from the Dollar Tree in my videos, and my stick to poke out the pieces. And you know, I'm going to use some metallic poster board from the Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. A lot of people ask, where do I get my papers? My cardstock is 110 pound weight, and it's going to be a A2 size card. So sit back and enjoy the process. finished card. It turned out so beautiful. Here's the red metallic poster board that I get from the Dollar Tree. I believe I use the silver as well. Sometimes it comes from the Hobby Lobby. I don't know which one is which, so I'll just say the Dollar Tree. So this looks like a cityscape. You can say abstract. I just think it's so pretty. And I love how this turned out. I do apologize for the glare, but isn't that beautiful? And I just did the inlay technique. I just love how it turned out. And it didn't take too long. This one was really easy. You just leave the pieces in the die and then just match them up. Okay? And then I did another one. And I used some glitter cardstock for the fabulous word. And again, I just used the silver from this part, and I used the outline for silver. And I also cut out a black piece too for the outline to this one. And I used those pieces to puzzle piece in that. So really cool. So I hope you like my card, and I'll post a link to Alina Craft Stores where you can pick this up. This is really fun and relaxing if you love puzzles. So again, it didn't take me too long to do. And I will be working on a third one too because I cut out the white frame, and I'll probably do the word in blue. Okay, take care everyone. Have a fabulous day, and I'll post some pictures at the end.